100% polyester fabric. Touchless shipping. These scarves are shipped in their own individual, factory-sealed cartons, minimizing, and usually eliminating, anyone touching the actual item from the factory to customer receipt. Beautifully designed bed scarf will enhance your bedroom's decor by providing a luxurious drape for your canopy bed. You can turn your bedroom into the palace you've always dreamed of. Simple setup. All you need to do is drape the scarf over the top of your bed to create a dreamy look for your bedroom. You can slope the scarf more or less over the top of your existing canopy bed frame to achieve the height you need. Slope it more and have it even with the floor, or less and it can puddle on floor depending on the look you want. Purchase 2 scarves to enhance your ambience, one for the top end and one for the bottom end. One product works for all bed sizes: twin, twin extra long, full, queen, king and California king canopy beds. You can slope the scarf more or less over the top of your existing canopy bed frame to achieve the height you need. Slope it more and have it even with the floor, or less and it can puddle on floor depending on the look you want. Top reviews from the United States. Never leaving bed. Love, love, love these canopy drapes. I chose white for our king bed. They add this air of whimsical. After a spill while snacking in bed, they nervously went in the wash. No worries, they washed beautifully, no wrinkles at all. In placing them back over the canopy, they were kinda sorta folded in half. As I began to spread them out, I noticed that the extra thickness from being folded in half actually created a more luxurious look, so I'm buying extra ones to evoke that look for the whole bed. Once I stretch strings of dainty white lights, over, underneath, I don't know. This girl will never want to leave her bed.